So in this video today, I'm going to be making a Luxe home decor DIY using Dollar Tree finds. So come on with me, guys. Now I'm going to be using a Dollar Tree vase, but I will also be using these beautiful BB craft embellishments that I have in my stash. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So this is going to be Luxe for sure. So now what makes a lot of this really special besides those embellishments is the beautiful shape of this vase. Now, one of those chains that I'll be using is iridescent and is so gorgeous, guys. Now, these items are a little bit on the, they kind of weigh, they're a little bit on the heavier side. So we're going to be using the cement, the liquid cement adhesive from the Dollar Tree, as well as a dot here and there of hot glue in order for us to get an instant stick. Remember that whenever you're using a permanent adhesive, you want to allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time. This way it allows that cement glue to cure. And so what I'm doing here is measuring with the bling chain how long I'm going to need and how many strips I want to use. So for the bling chain is probably just going to be 2. I'm also going to be using the first one that I showed you, which is in the shape of flowers. Now, this I'm going to use 3 flowers going down, and it's going to be 2 sets of those. And then we're going to go ahead and put the beautiful iridescent chain around the top rim of the vase. So that's what we're doing here. We are figuring out the lengths, and so then we'll be starting the gluing process. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Luxe Home Decor DIY using Dollar Tree finds. Open collaboration. Now this is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and joining me is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. I'm really excited and I hope that you join us as well. Now, especially when we're gluing on glass, you always want to make sure you clean your surface. I'm going to start with the iridescent piece that goes around the top rim of this vase. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then what I do is I go back in with a paper towel that I sprayed with Windex just to make sure the area stays clean and the glue doesn't run, or I just don't want glue stains around this glass vase. So that's what I'm doing here, and then we'll move on to the next one. Now, I'm not sure if the camera's doing this any justice, guys, but this iridescent chain is one of my favorites. It is gorgeous. All right, so we are going to go ahead and pick up that bling chain, and then since I already know where I'm going to line up this glue, I'm going to be very careful here and just do a nice little line that goes from where that other chain is all the way down to the bottom, and then lay the chain. So be very careful and keep that napkin handy. Now remember to make sure that the line is straight because the glue is really, it's not dry and you never know when that chain will move. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other side and make sure and start wiping the areas, guys, because you will be able to see it if it does dry on this glass. That's why I keep that napkin and Windex handy. Now, so I decided that the first chain that I showed you were like little roses attached to each other. So I cut like three in a row and then a second one as well. One to put on the front of this vase and one to put on the back of the vase. Okay, so we're just wiping everything up and then we're going to head on over to the reveal after 24 to 48 hours. So I'll see you then so that we can go ahead and decorate this beautiful Luxe vase for Mother's Day. So this has been like my favorite spot lately. Look at this vase. It came out absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the iridescent gems along the top of that rim. Absolutely beautiful. I am in love with this vase. So let's go ahead and set up the floral arrangement and then we'll head on over to the reveal so that you can take a closer look. I think this came out gorgeous. I am so excited. My mom's favorite flowers are definitely in the pink family, mostly fuchsia, but I used what I had. And this vase is gorgeous. If she was with me, she will absolutely love these flowers. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to head on over to Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. She does amazing home content, and you would not be disappointed. Let her know I sent you. Click the like button and leave her a beautiful comment. Amen.